Hi guys, this video will be about Chrome Devtools. That is the tool that you will be using throughout your web development career. So it is this right here. With this tool, you can see the structure of the page. You can see the HTML right here. And below you have the Styles tab. And there you can see the styles, the CSS for the page computed. This is also styles data, and this is the box model. Event listeners, this is about JavaScript. DOM breakpoints. Console tab, this is also for JavaScript, and so on and so forth. So that is the DevTools. And like I said, this video is all about DevTools, and right here we don't have any text to read. There is just one video, introduction video about Chrome DevTools. If you watched my previous videos, when I get to some video in this series, I don't play the video in my video, just so I don't get any copyright strikes. Just like so far, you will have the link to this video in the description below, so you can click on that link and watch the video. So that should be all for this. Let's proceed to the next video. And in the next video we will have an article about CSS visual rules in Chrome Inspector. So let's get started with it.